today we have this white BMW F30 320D in for a single step detail. It's a pretty clean car, so it's going to be challenging to get the results, you know. I prefer dirtier cars because there's a easier chance of getting a good reference between a before and after. With these clean cars, it's quite difficult, you know. Chaps has already started on wiping down the engine. This is something that we don't usually do, but the owner, who's a good friend, cleared it, so yeah, it's almost done. Then we're going to top it off with this meticulous from Coach Ken, you know, only the best. So yeah, you know the drill. I know I've been quite slow with videos, but we're getting traffic, and I think that is only because we're getting recognition on YouTube as well, you know. And thank you for the likes and the subscribes and the shares. Thanks for everything. Standard, it comes standard with the detailing that we do, cleaning the rubbers. This will actually protect the windows when you run them up and down. When you debris or rock sand that will be trapped between the rubber and the window, effectively scratching the window. So yeah, this is part and parcel of a one-step detail that we offer. And after this, we'll do the contact wash. That will be the two-bucket wash method and the one-step. Just have to find the right combination of combination. But got a pretty good idea that what I've got in mind. I think this particular paint using the F26. That's a really nice. We'll be using this coach cam drying towel, very good towel. Does the job. It's not like the other blue one that we've always been using. clay bar treatment, and one step using the Koch Chem P6